Welcome to Auto Hub Info. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Mitsubishi Xpander Cross, an SUV-styled MPV designed for adventure, comfort, and practicality. If you're looking for a vehicle that balances family-friendly features with rugged capability, this one deserves your attention. Mitsubishi introduced the Xpander Cross as a more adventurous variant of its popular Xpander MPV. Originally launched in 2019, this model is built to offer SUV-like toughness while maintaining the spaciousness and efficiency of an MPV. Over the years, Mitsubishi has refined its design, technology, and performance, making the 2025 version the most advanced yet. When it comes to global reach, the Xpander Cross has found its biggest market in Southeast Asia. Countries like Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam have embraced this vehicle for its practicality, fuel efficiency, and affordability. Indonesia, in particular, has been a stronghold for the Xpander series, with Mitsubishi producing the model locally and selling it in high volumes. It has also gained popularity in Latin America and the Middle East, where buyers appreciate its durability and adaptability to different road conditions. In terms of popularity, the Xpander Cross has consistently ranked among the best-selling MPVs in Asia. Its rugged styling, competitive pricing, and brand reputation have helped it carve a strong presence in markets where families and businesses require a reliable and spacious vehicle. The 2025 model enhances that appeal by introducing improved features, making it even more desirable. Under the hood, the 2025 Mitsubishi Xpander Cross retains its trusted 1.5-liter MIVEC gasoline engine, delivering around 105 horsepower and 141 Nm of torque. While it's not built for high-speed performance, it offers sufficient power for urban driving and light off-road adventures. The CVT transmission ensures smooth and efficient power delivery, making it easy to drive, especially in congested city traffic. Mitsubishi has also fine-tuned the suspension for a more stable and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. Fuel efficiency is one of the Xpander Cross's strongest selling points. The 2025 model delivers an estimated fuel consumption of around 16 to 18 kilometers per liter, depending on driving conditions. This makes it one of the most fuel-efficient MPVs in its class, ideal for long-distance travel and everyday commuting. With rising fuel prices, this efficiency makes the Xpander Cross an economical choice for families and businesses alike. One of the key highlights of the Xpander Cross is its versatility. With a high ground clearance of 225 millimeters, it can handle rough roads, floods, and uneven terrain better than a typical MPV. The reinforced suspension and improved damping system enhance its capability, making it a practical option for those who occasionally venture beyond city streets. The electric power steering provides better handling, and the improved stability control ensures safer driving, especially on highways. The 2025 model brings several new and refined key features. The refreshed exterior includes a more aggressive front grille, LED headlights, and a sportier bumper design. Inside, the cabin has been upgraded with a digital instrument cluster, a larger touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a more premium interior finish. The 7-seat layout remains spacious and flexible, making it suitable for families and cargo transport. Advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera enhance its appeal, ensuring a safer and more comfortable driving experience. Pricing varies by region, but the 2025 Mitsubishi Xpander Cross is expected to be priced between $20,000 and $25,000, and, depending on the market and trim level. This competitive pricing keeps it accessible for middle-class families and businesses looking for a cost-effective yet feature-packed MPV. Its affordability, combined with Mitsubishi's reputation for reliability, makes it a strong contender in its segment. So, what makes the Xpander Cross such a strong seller? Its success lies in its ability to blend SUV-like toughness with MPV practicality. Buyers get a stylish and rugged vehicle that can handle both city roads and light off-road conditions. The spacious interior, modern tech features, and excellent fuel efficiency make it a go-to choice for families and fleet operators. Additionally, Mitsubishi's extensive service network and reputation for durability add to its strong resale value, making it a smart investment. Overall, The 2025 Mitsubishi Xpander Cross continues to be a top choice for those who want a reliable, versatile and stylish MPV with SUV-inspired toughness. Whether you're driving through city streets heading out for a weekend adventure or looking for a practical family vehicle, the Xpander Cross delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching Auto Hub Info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments, would you consider the 2025 Xpander Cross as your next vehicle? See you in the next video.